Productions delay. Productions delay, buyer really or predictable leads times and consistent quality to meet their own commitments and cater to their customer demands. Late arrival or raw materials can significant impact. Alam naman natin na about business is kailangan tayo is on time or ang mga kailangan nating gamitin is nakahanda na para hindi tayo magkaroon ng productions delay. Dapat is meron tayong time managements about cater or about kung ano mang business ang meron tayo. Inventory shortage or overstocking. Delay orders can lead to poor inventory management practices such as inventory shortage, inaccurate forecasting, and efficient order fulfillment. Conversely, if the delay is improperly communicated